This video shows how to add a web bookmark in Notion. I'm using a sample page called Add Web Bookmark just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. On your page, click where you want to add the web bookmark. Type /web bookmark. Click Web Bookmark from the list. A web bookmark appears with a box to paste a link. Now, go to the website you want to save. Copy the website link from the address bar. Go back to Notion. Paste the link into the box. Click Create Bookmark. Wait a few seconds. Notion will load the preview automatically. You will now see a web bookmark with the website title, description, and link. Some websites may also show a preview image. If the preview does not load, check that the link is correct and publicly accessible. That's how to add a web bookmark in Notion.